You know, the biggest key to success, they say, is just showing up.
And that advice can also apply when a judge orders you to appear in court. Fox 5 I-Team reporter Randy Travis returns with how the owner of a DeKalb tree service somehow made a bad situation worse.
That's right, Courtney and Russ. Yeah, we've reported before on the problems with Angela Hodges, the owner of Don's Tree Experts, and the risk of giving a contractor all the money up front before the work is actually finished. But there's another risk, skipping your court date.
And Ms. Hodges. Where's Ms. Hodges?
When the fact you even showed up in court is noteworthy.
My client's appeared twice in this matter, and
she's also failed to appear 3 times.
I understand, Your Honor.
When the people who sued you can't find the words.
I'm sorry. It's okay, Irene.
Angela Hodges had to know this would not be a good day.
And she said she had a heart problem. She has no heart.
Hodges is here because her company, Don's Tree Experts, lost a lawsuit. Pattie Seymour won a $4,000 judgment claiming Hodges left her yard a disaster after being paid up front. But Seymour couldn't collect the judgment because she didn't know the company's bank account numbers and other assets. Hodges was ordered back to court last summer to provide that information. She skipped the hearings, later explaining she was really sick.
I need to see the Emory records again.
Magistrate Judge Matthew McCoy ordered Hodges to bring her medical records to prove she was too ill to make those previous hearings. He wasn't happy with what he saw.
She testified under oath that she didn't appear in court on the 27th because she couldn't get out of bed because of back pain. Doesn't say anything about lower back pain. Not a thing.
Showing up when she's supposed to appears to be a constant problem for Hodges. Several pending lawsuits accuse her and Don's Tree Experts of just ignoring scheduled work days to finish the job. Like this house in Lithonia. That's Irene Ford's house, the woman who was so upset outside the courtroom.
I'm sorry. Oh my God. I'm sorry.
According to her lawsuit, Ford paid Hodges $1,500 up front to take down some trees and bring in some dirt to smooth out her backyard. Ford wanted to make it look nice for her son, who was coming home to battle cancer. Instead, she said Hodges dumped loads of poor quality dirt mixed with wires and tree limbs, and then took months to even get the downed trees out of the backyard.
This female, she told me, she said, I'm gonna make you a beautiful yard. How could somebody be so horrible? My son died, and I got this big old mess.
Her case has yet to go to trial.
I have some receipts from Office Depot.
The bank records Hodges brought to court likely won't help Pattie Seymour collect. They show a negative balance. Turns out, if she had just appeared in court last year with those records, Hodges would have likely avoided trouble. But here's what happens when you don't show up.
I'm holding her in contempt and I'm sentencing her to 5 days in jail.
5 days. Still not enough for those who showed up every time.
She's just playing games. She's just playing games. She needs to do some serious time.
Hodges also faces criminal charges, 1 misdemeanor and 3 felony theft counts involving 4 other customers. Police say paid up front for work that was never even started. She denies the charges, and that trial date has not been set yet either.
That one woman we saw, Irene, just very distraught, clearly.
Yeah, she was. I mean, because she wanted to fix up her backyard for her son who was coming home. He was dying of cancer. She wanted to give him a nice backyard, put up a fence for a puppy, and she had all these great ideas for this son of hers, and it would turn out to be a disaster. And then her son passed away, and she says that didn't even make an impression on Angela Hodges. She still didn't go over and finish the work, and so that's why when she saw her that day in court, the emotion just overcame her.
Yeah, many layers of grief there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Randy, thanks.
Okay.